what are the remedies available to them when they are terminated from service? What does he or she do if they are terminated from service? When a person who is a workman within the meaning of the Industrial Disputes Act is terminated from service, he or she can raise an industrial dispute under section 2A of the Industrial Disputes Act. Next, what happens when a dispute is raised? When a dispute is raised before the concerned conciliation officer, the conciliation officer will issue a notice to the employer. Then the employer can come forward and give a reply before the conciliation officer, and then conciliation proceedings are held where the conciliation officer acts as a facilitator and brings both the parties to the table, and they discuss the issues involved to see if there is any possibility of a settlement. If the matter is settled over there, then that is the end of the issue. But if the matter is not settled, for example, if there are irreconcilable differences between the management and the workmen, then the dispute may not get settled. In that case, the conciliation proceedings fail and the conciliation officer gives a report called a failure report. And then, taking this failure report, the workman can raise an industrial dispute before the adjudicatory authorities, which in this case would be the Labour Court. The conciliation proceedings are time bound. They are expected to be completed within 2 weeks as per the Act, and even as per the amended Industrial Disputes Act, if the conciliation proceedings are not completed within a period of 45 days, the workman gets the right to move the Labour Court for relief even without the failure report.